Oh. Okay.
No bite.
Hi, Mom.
Will you pass me the Coke?
Yeah.
I can't, like, I take a bite and then I have to drink something. That's a lot of fucking ice.
Is this a
It's gonna be.
This is really
Yeah, baby.
Hey, babes.
Oh, this is our cake circle.
Hey,
It's
Kelly.
pretty good. I'm about to get.
Look at my big bite. I ate that.
Just you have to act like it's not there, because it's funnier when you don't. If we're just being honest, like that.
We'll probably forget it's there.
Yeah.
Oh,
my
no,
God,
you
look
have
at
that
my
whole
big bite.
scoop.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Emily, that's not gonna fit in your mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We
We should fit a whole fucking milk.
One time on the beach, I saw this girl and she could stick a whole freaking banana in her mouth.
Oh, shit.
It was funny. She peeled it and then just bam. I was like, oh, deep throating. Oh my god, I think cake just almost came out my nose.
Dude, okay, this is gonna go in my mouth. Watch. Everybody watch.
You can have mine.
Okay, everybody watch this.
Deep throat of this Superman cake. Yeah, baby.
You said deep throat.
Yeah, I did. I can deep throat a vagina.
Okay, it's super crisp.
I read that quote and I was like, oh, that's awesome.
happened?
It can, but it's funny. Well, would you like to demonstrate?
No. Why would I demonstrate?
I will demonstrate.
I wouldn't.
Watch. Ready?
Ready? Come on, baby.
I went like this.
Oh dear, just squeeze. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get sick.
God.
All that sugar, not good.
Oh.
Too long since I had real food.
We had pizza.
I know, it's been too long.
Where's Holly?
At
Still
5.
fighting with Jacob.
Of course she is, because that's all she does. Fight with Jacob.
That's kind of annoying.
It's, like, it started making me mad because I was dragged into it and I didn't need to be. I did not say anything bad about
Jacob is a douchebag.
Look what I put. It said Jacob loves Kevin Jenner. And I put gays. Say something.
Stop it.
Kristen.
People are going to think I'm disgusting.
Oh,
We're disgusting, but it's okay.
I said bitch.
Yes, we do.
I said I don't care. Give me that V card, bitch.
Who are you?
What the heck, Emily? Are you smart to be? Are you hearing?
Watch Unforgivable. You cunt. I'm not.
What?
Oh, my sister doesn't watch
We
this.
have to watch Farce of the
You
Wind.
want elf?
What? Because a monkey has sex with a coconut.
What?